Hello and welcome to the Daily Dig with Debbie. Today I need to restock our trail mix. For a while I was buying my husband these, and notice how big they are. That's about as much nuts that you get. But instead I bought everything in bulk and I'll make my own. So I put some pecans in it. This week I got these thin dipped almonds. Normally they were $4.91 at Sam's Club and I got them for $2.91. And I thought they meant that they were only half dipped. They are completely chocolate covered. And it's almost like a cocoa covered. So it's going to add that taste of chocolate but not overpowering sweet. I like to add some dates, some raisins. Now, because I got the chocolate covered almonds, I'll probably not put in these almonds, but they are available to me if I want. I have a little bit of pistachio left. These ones I need to pick up some more. Yeah, somebody's been in these bags because I haven't had a chance to make them. Some sunflower seeds. These I got at Trader Joe's, but I think you can get them at basically any store. And then banana chips, freeze-dried. These I believe, no, I got these at Walmart, so these are available. And these are just good snacks for your kids. They are crunchy. Now, you can add chocolate chips if you want, but because I have the chocolate almonds, I'm just going to go with those. And then I'm planning on making some granola, but our family doesn't eat it like a lot of families do. So I found, and granola is just really expensive to buy. So I'll either start making it to add it to this, but I've only done it. I found this Cashigo with 10 grams of protein, 10 grams of fiber. I basically got them for $1. So I thought, well, I'll just try the cereal kind. It doesn't stick together as much. There are some bigger clumps, but a lot of it just comes out in individual pieces. It just adds that extra to it. And they have different flavors, so check this out. What I'd advise is make your own granola. Don't buy it in the store, it's too expensive. And then once I have that, and I do two things with this. I have this jar on my counter all the time, filled to the top with it. If you're just looking for something healthy snack that you can grab, you do that. For my husband's lunches, I put them in sandwich bags, just a little bit in sandwich bags. He takes those to work, and then he has that snack to go. I hope you found this tip helpful. Thank you so much, and have a great day.